storm warning in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday. With heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 14 inches, with the highest amounts north and east of Harrisburg. A light glaze of ice is also likely from Harrisburg southward, where portions of central Pennsylvania. Light snow will overspread the region this morning and continue through tonight. The snow could become heavier on Monday and potentially mix with ice from Harrisburg southward. Expect the snow to taper off by late Monday night. Impacts: travel could be difficult today through Monday evening. Precautionary/preparedness actions. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel, as significant winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous. Call 511 or visit www.511.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. To report snow or ice, post to the National Weather Service State College Facebook page. Use Twitter at Stat College or visit weather.gov/CTP. And welcome.